One thing every actor can do, whether things are super busy or really slow, is updating their demo reel. I'm gonna give you the top 3 pieces of footage you should prioritize when putting together your demo reel. Number 1 is gonna be footage from any major network or feature film. When an agent or casting director sees that 3-letter logo watermark at the bottom of your demo reel, it's going to pique their interest. Whether that's a co-star or a series regular, that's what I'm putting at the top of my demo reel. Now, if you don't have any major credits on your resume just yet, do not fret. The second most important piece of footage to put on your demo reel is a scene where you're playing a very specific type of character. This is going to hook the viewer in to watching very realistic and believable characters. And number 3 is a scene where you're doing great acting. Spotlight is on you. That can be footage from a short film or classwork, just something that's showcasing your talent and your acting craft. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.